To apply for an M&T Bank USA credit card as a US citizen, here are the simple steps you can follow. 1. Determine your eligibility. You generally need to be a US citizen or permanent resident. You must be at least 18 years old. You will need a valid US Social Security number. M&T Bank will also review your credit history and financial situation to determine your eligibility. 2. Choose a credit card. Visit the M&T Bank website and navigate to the Credit Cards section. Review the different credit card options they offer, e.g., M&T Visa Credit Card, M&T Visa Credit Card with Rewards, M&T Visa Signature Credit Card, Secured Credit Card. Consider the features, benefits, APRs, and any fees associated with each card to choose the one that best fits your needs. 3. Gather your information. Before starting the application, make sure you have the following information readily available: your full name and current address, including your monthly rent or mortgage payment, your date of birth, your social security number, your phone number and email address, information about your employment and income. If you plan to do a balance transfer, have the name of the credit card institution and your account number with them. 4. Choose your application method. M&T Bank offers several ways to apply. Online. If you are a current M&T customer, you can often apply online through your online banking account. New customers can also start an online application on the M&T Bank website. By phone, you can call M&T Bank's telephone banking center at 1-800-724-3222 for general inquiries, or if you are not a current customer, or 1-877-779-3525, specifically for credit card applications. In person, visit your local M&T Bank branch and speak with a bank representative who can assist you with the application process. 5. Complete the application. Fill out all the required fields on the application form accurately and completely, regardless of the method you choose. 6. Review and submit. Before submitting, carefully review all the information you have provided to ensure it is correct. Read the terms and conditions of the credit card agreement. Submit your application through your chosen method. 7. Wait for a decision. M&T Bank will review your application. The time it takes to receive a decision can vary. You may receive a decision online immediately in some cases, while other applications may take a few days or weeks. If additional information is needed, a representative from M&T Bank may contact you. Important notes. Current customers. If you already have an account with M&T Bank, the application process might be slightly streamlined online. Non-customers. If you are new to M&T Bank, applying online or by phone are convenient options, or you can visit a branch for personalized assistance. Balance transfers. If you're looking to transfer balances from other credit cards, have the necessary details ready during the application process. By following these simple steps, you can apply for an M&T Bank USA credit card. Remember to choose the card that aligns with your financial goals and spending habits.